This is the environment it was built for: raw, unforgiving, and massive. This is productivity measured not in minutes, but in landscapes transformed. This machine doesn't just...
This is what industrial power looks like when it has a physical form.
Ordinary steel cannot survive here. The world's largest bulldozer demands steel built for punishment beyond limits. If this steel fails here, the bulldozer...
This is not cutting metal. It is carving the skeleton of the largest bulldozer ever produced. Strength alone is not enough. At this scale, precision decides whether a giant survives or destroys itself. These components will channel power strong enough to tear the ground apart. This undercarriage must carry the weight of the world, every hour, every day. These tracks are not designed to roll. They are designed to crush. This is the moment the giant stands alone, the largest bulldozer ever built, ready to reshape the planet.
At this scale, torque is not measured in numbers. It is measured in destruction resisted.
These drives will transfer power straight into the ground. No machine on Earth pushes harder. When machines operate where the ground burns, cooling is the difference between survival and failure. This blade is larger than most rooms, engineered not to cut soil, but to overpower it.
These arms will push with forces capable of bending steel, and they must do it thousands of times.
We are reaching maximum load capacity. Check the sensors on the upper quadrant.
Confirmed. The blade is holding steady at 70,000 psi.
This is controlled violence. Every system pushed to its limit by design.
This is the moment theory ends, and raw force takes over.
Look at the pressure spike on sector gamma.
Rerouting hydraulic flow now. The stress limit is holding.
This machine is built not for minutes, but for endless hours of punishment. The D11, having survived the proving ground, passes its final inspection.
To move the largest bulldozer on Earth, the machine itself must become an industrial cargo operation.
This is not delivery. It is relocation of a mechanical giant.
This is the environment it was built for: raw, unforgiving, and massive. Piece by piece, the giant is reborn, this time in its natural habitat. This is why it exists, the world's largest CAT D11, finally doing the job it was built to dominate. Built for shifts, it was built for endurance. Day or night makes no difference. The giant pushes on.
From this seat, one operator commands a machine heavier than buildings.
Sensor Array Delta reports stable temperatures despite the dust density. Confirmed. The cooling system is performing above specification.
Through the night and into the next day, the world's largest CAT D11 never rests.
After relentless punishment, the giant is examined, not for failure, but for proof of survival.
These tracks carry more weight than entire buildings, and they're built to keep going.
This blade has pushed mountains, and it's only just begun. The heart of the giant has endured, and it's still ready for more.
This is not a machine built to impress. It is built to dominate. The world's largest CAT D11 is ready.
When placed beside ordinary machines, the difference is undeniable. This bulldozer operates in a class of its own. One pass, one push. What takes others hours, this machine completes in moments. This is productivity measured not in minutes, but in landscapes transformed. This is why the world's largest mines rely on the world's largest bulldozer. Where temperatures crippled machines, this giant keeps pushing. Rain turns ground into resistance, but resistance means nothing to this machine.
Cold stops ordinary machines. This one was engineered to wake up and work.
This is ground that swallows machines and proves which ones belong here. One design, one purpose, total dominance anywhere on Earth. At this size, efficiency isn't optional, it's engineered. One giant, the workload of many. This machine doesn't just work, it organizes the entire operation around itself. Measured in savings, it's measured in time reclaimed. This is why the biggest operations on Earth choose the biggest solution available.
The structural integrity remains within tolerance despite the scuffing.
Yes, the current data aligns perfectly with the original build specs.
Every extra hour between shutdowns is an advantage, and this machine is built to stretch time.
Time is money in this critical expansion. The method of the level is restored relentlessly, monitored by a team ensuring...
When everything depends on one machine, only the largest and strongest will do.
As you can see on the thermal rendering, the stress fractures here align perfectly with the projected load paths.
And the real-time data...
These forces don't bend metal. They test the limits of engineering itself. When the problem grows beyond human scale, the solution must grow beyond machines we already know.
The D11 stands as the undisputed king of the quarry, a fixed point in this hive of industrial activity.
This machine wasn't designed for a project. It was designed for a generation.
As mines grow larger and deeper, only machines of extreme scale can keep up. This giant is already prepared for a future where humans no longer need to sit inside it.
From this point forward, every bulldozer will be compared to this one.
This wasn't just the world's largest CAT D11, it became the turning point for an entire industry. When the biggest minds on Earth need answers, this is the machine they call. Others build machines. This one defines the category. At this level, productivity stops being measured and start being witnessed. Machines set the plan. Some machines are remembered for what they did. This one is remembered for what it changed.
One person, one machine, power measured in mountains.
At this scale, skill matters more than strength. This machine doesn't just move Earth, it trains the people who will shape the future. When a machine reaches this scale, entire careers move with it.
This is the future of heavy industry. Humans guiding giants.
Some machines earn respect. This one earns recognition.
Years from now, this machine will still be part of the stories told here.
This is what industrial power looks like when it has a physical form.
This isn't just production, it's history being measured. Long after the work is done, this giant will still be remembered. This machine didn't just push Earth, it pushed the limits of what engineering believed possible. Even at rest, the giant's presence reshapes the world around it. Some machines belong in history books. This one belongs among the great achievements of mankind. This machine didn't just move Earth, it wrote data into it. This giant will one day be replaced, but what it taught will remain. Even when something larger arrives, this will remain the measure. While the future is imagined, this giant continues doing the work. Time changes everything, except what was built to outlast it. Years later, it's still the reference point. Bigger can be built, but trust must be earned. When something is this large, it doesn't need to be explaved. This is not an ending. This is how giants continue. After the force comes silence, and the ground remembers what happened here. These marks are not damage. They are proof. Only when it leaves do you realize how much space it occupied. You don't measure a giant by its size, but by what's left behind. Even giants need rest, but their presence never fades. This machine belonged not just to a job, but to an era.
No narration can add to what this machine already says.